So just to give you a formal introduction when it comes to null pointer, which you've seen before in pointers and everything else like that, but when it comes to linked lists and any code that you're going to see online, again, there really was no change in the overall code other than literally changing null to null pointer. That's it. There really wasn't any change at all. All the code when it comes to iterating, traversing, and everything else like that is exactly the same with rear, front, all these different cursors, all those are exactly the same. There's no difference when it comes to that. But again, the advantages of now using null pointer is that we have functions clarity with it, and I should demonstrate that here in a second. Null pointer is comparable, and null pointer is implicitly convertible to any pointer type, so we can, frankly, make it, well, we can make some changes to it, which makes it, frankly, kind of nice, and you can do it with a static cast in order to do that. This is the exact same, well, setup as you saw before, but now this time we're using nullptr. These two functions have not changed a bit. They're exactly the same, but now the compiler will figure out, okay, null pointer literally is a pointer and not something valued as 0, so it is going to call that second function because it knows it is a pointer. And yes, I know it says character pointer, but that goes back to over here. At least we know it's a pointer that can be convertible and makes it a lot easier and a lot more sense now that we have a designated null value for a pointer that keep us safe. Just a minor follow-up. I really wanted to show you a static cast so that you could cast it to something else. Talked about the other calls before and also talked about really from pointers on exactly how to set up our null pointer as well. We've done all that before, but still. So again, if you might see some old code. I have old code. I've been doing this for a really long time. If you happen to see something that still uses null pointer is just an easy Control H, and then it still works exactly the same, but it's much, much safer to use. So that's all I want to get out of all of this.